Sometimes the canvas doesn't wait. It calls you to move with it. This pour was all about energy, balance, and color finding its rhythm. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm using different shades of magenta, pink, green, violet, and gold to create an abstract piece that feels alive, like hues in motion. I started with gold in the center, the color of illumination and strength, then circled it with the different shades of magenta, pink, violet, and green, each one placed intentionally until the canvas was nearly covered. Every pour has a mood, and this one will be movement, confidence, and flow. The kind of energy that doesn't demand attention but commands it through presence and harmony. When you work with 5 colors, balance is everything. You want complementary tones that won't muddy when blended. A trick I use: measure your paint evenly. Equal part paint and pouring medium keep the texture smooth and predictable. Smooth consistency gives you some control, just enough to guide the flow without forcing it. Because in fluid art, control is borrowed, never owned. We haven't even gotten started yet, really, and the green makes this entire piece pop already. It's the color that quietly steals the show. In art, green often symbolizes renewal, energy, and growth. It bridges warmth and coolness, pulling balance into everything around it. Fun fact: during the Renaissance, green was made from natural minerals like malachite and even ground plants. It was considered a living color, and you can still feel that aliveness when it moves across the canvas. As a reminder, I'm always experimenting with color combinations that create harmony and surprise. If there's a set of colors you love to see me pour with, drop them in the comments below. I'm always searching for palettes that flow beautifully together, and your suggestions just might inspire the next painting. As colors spread, they began to dance. Each hue stood strong, yet surrendered just enough to create unity. That's the magic of paint. It teaches surrender and precision at once. After layering, I use a blow dryer from the center outward, short, gentle bursts. This keeps the gold luminous while pushing other colors to reveal those organic, feathery edges we love in fluid art. If your consistency is right about the feel of warm honey, your paint will travel smoothly, forming natural patterns without breaking apart. And when it dried, this piece looked like energy frozen mid motion, a splash of color suspended in time, every shade holding its own. Thank you for watching. If this painting inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Remember, creativity flows where trust begins. Stay creative and keep painting.